Merry Christmas!
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Well, as much as is possible in South Florida. But where we're lacking in cold temperatures and snow, we make up for with holiday cheer. We've been enjoying this time of year and want to take a moment to share the latest in our van build and our travels with you. So snuggle up with a cup of holiday cheer and join us for our van life adventures, Holiday Edition. Over the last several weeks, we've been brainstorming about what to do with the living area of our van. While the van has been great for our last several trips, we're looking forward to getting it finished. The next step in our build process is to finish the walls and kitchen area. We're starting by finishing the area beneath our bed and around our slider door.
So here it is.
Audra recently finished the window cover for the front windshield, and we plan to post a video showing the process in the near future.
But it still keeps the sun out.
Steve has also been busy editing videos for the channel. Hopefully you've seen the 4 episodes we recently posted from our mountains trip this past summer. We shared lots of wonderful mountain overlooks, waterfalls and swimming holes, and wildlife encounters.
If you've been following along, you know we've also been trying to enjoy and share our home base here in South Florida. We've been visiting parks, biking, and exploring the area.
That'll hold you.
Ready?
For like a second.
We even had a chance to go boating and to spot a dolphin in the Intercoastal Waterway for the first time ever.
Oh my god, that is wild. OMG.
Now with the holiday season here, we've been trying to take some time to enjoy the festive decorations and a few outdoor activities that are going on in the midst of COVID.
We found a little spot to watch the annual holiday boat parade, one of my favorite traditions in Florida.
We drove around some of the neighborhoods in our area known for their lights and decorations.
So we're back on the road heading north. We're hoping to experience a white Christmas perhaps. And definitely there's going to be colder temps. We're going to make some stops along the way. First stop, St. Augustine, and then on to Charleston tomorrow before we make our way north to spend some time with family.
This trip was a little bittersweet. We know travel is discouraged because of the COVID pandemic, but unfortunately Audra's dad is not doing so well with cancer, and we know that time is of the essence with him. So we felt this trip was important to make.
This is also our first trip without Fatty. Some of you know that our other fur baby went missing several weeks ago.
Ready to go in the van? Says, go for it.
We've been heartbroken and missing him. Travel will definitely not be the same without him. He did van life like a champ and loved all the exploring he got to do in 14 different states. We know this year has been crazy for everybody with lots of ups and downs. We're looking forward to this trip, to seeing some more holiday lights and spending some time with family. We hope you'll enjoy coming along with us. Here we are in St. Augustine for the Nights of Lights. There's 3 million white lights around the city. It's very pretty.
that was fun. I think I counted 3 million lights.
Exactly.
So Audra found a Christmas light display show,
Festival of Lights.
Festival of Lights.
In the low country in Charleston.
And we have been in traffic now, about 45 minutes, creeping along, trying to get to the entrance. We have seen several people bail out of this line.
Hopefully it's worth the wait here, right?
Yep.
Oh, there's a camper! Gotta get the camper! Look, a camper! Check out Rudolph roasting the hot dog. We pulled into our overnight spot last night at dark. This morning we woke up and this is what we get to see. Snow. I think we're gonna have a white Christmas. You stinker. Are you excited about seeing snow?
Yep.
And check out these digs. We got to sleep inside our van, inside the garage last night, and it was toasty warm. Thanks to our friends. Ready to hit the road?
Take the next right on New York 96 South.
Arrived in New York to the snow and cold. This is where we'll be staying for the next several days for the holidays. I kept the lights on these branches. So here we are in the van. We're all settled in for the night. It's pretty chilly outside, but we're staying nice and warm in here. As always, we want to thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate all those of you who have subscribed, left comments, and encouraged us so far. We have been delighted to hear that there's 3 young viewers who have been watching our videos, so we want to do a special shout out to them tonight.
I want to say hello to Emily, Lucy, and Micah.
So that's it for this week, everybody. We're going to be taking some time off for the holidays with our family, but we hope you'll tune in the new year to catch our next episode.
We know this year has been a crazy one, so we hope that you get a chance to spend some time with some loved ones.
We wish you peace and joy.
Merry
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you